We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello students, today we will discuss about some laboratory equipment, common glasswares and other equipments used in laboratory. So first one are the beakers, and the students have to recognize about that size capacity of the beakers. For example, here that one beaker indicating the 250 ml means the maximum capacity or allowable measurable limits is the 250 ml, 250 ml तक ले सकते हो. And there are 4 different of sizes of the beakers for you to use in your lab desk. So beakers hold solids or liquids. Very poor accuracy should only be used to estimate volume, not the size of the capacity. 250 ml, 600 ml, 150 ml, and 50 ml. Beaker tong. So beaker tongs are used to move beakers containing hot liquids, not the rubber floating water coating to improve grip on the glass beaker. Do not hold this in a burner farm, and that is uh, the safety consideration that rubber coating may melt with the whole hot flame. A Bunsen burner. So Bunsen burners are used for heating non-volatile liquids and solids, and that is again safety requirement. And make sure the hose is snug on the gas outlet, and that there are no cracks in the nose. Otherwise, what happen? The gas may be leaked out and may cause hazard. Analytical balance. So these are the again some precautions that students have to recognize about the make sure balance is zeroed. Read zeros before beginning. You can do this with the zero function. Never place the chemicals directly onto the balance. Use the weighing paper or the this butter paper. Crucible and cover. Crucibles are used for heating certain solids, particularly metals, to very high temperatures. And this is a diagram. This is a picture of that. The cover can be used to contain any smoke particles. Crucible tong, and that is again very important tool for handling hot crucibles. Also used to pick up other hot objects, not to be used for picking up beakers. Aluminium glass flask, and this flask hold solids or liquids. They may release gases during a reaction, or that are likely to splatter if stored or heated. And that is again is a kind of reaction vessel that has to be notes for the size also. Evaporating dish. The evaporating dish is used for heating stable solid compounds and elements, as well as for evaporating non-volatile solutions. And that is also we can use also China plates also, China dish also. Fluorescence flask, rarely used in first year in chemistry. It is used for mixing of chemicals. Narrow nick prevents splash explosion. Forceps. Forceps are used to hold or pick small objects. Funnel. A funnel is used to aid in the transfer of liquids from one vessel to the another, and will hold filter paper while filtering, and it may be glass or plastic. Graduated cylinder. The cylinders, these type of cylinders are generally used for more accurate measurements of volumes of liquids probably your best everyday measuring tool. And there are three sizes in your desk: 10 ml, 50 ml, and 100 ml. Burette. This is a one pictorial diagram for that. And a burette is used to very accurately measure volumes of liquids and dispense small measurable amounts of liquid. And this is has to be certain that the burette is very accurate and how it look like. Pipette. A pipette is used to very accurately dispense the volumes of liquids. We use a pipette bulb or a deliver tube to dispense the liquid. And here is some the illustration for that, how the bubble is look like and how the pipette is look like, mouth and tip. Never use your mouth to draw liquid into the pipette. Glass dropper pipette. A dropper pipette is used to transfer a small amount of liquid. Use one drop at a time. On top of the each pipette is a rubber bulb. Never put your mouth on the bubble to provide suction. Disposable pipette. And these are the pipettes most widely used for handling of liquids. And they are transfer in a very small amount. Usually one drop at a time is used. Pipe stem triangle. And this triangle, the pipe stem triangle is used to as a support for crucibles, and so that when being heated over a lab burner, it can be used to support a funnel when filtering also. Generally, tripod stand are used instead of in many laboratories. Reaction vessels or plates. Reaction plates or multi-well plates are used when we want to perform many small-scale reactions at a one time. It is like having lots of test tubes available at a one time. The ring stands and their components. Ring stands are a safe and convenient way to perform reactions that require heating using a lamp burner. Never put them in the cabinet if they are too hot to hold, as it can cause the fire. Ring stands and their components. Metal rings. Metal rings connect to a ring stand and provide a stable, elevated platform for a beaker to be heated. We also hold a pipe, stem, triangle, and funnel during the filtering. Ring stands and their component test tubes and utility clamps. Test tube clamps are used to secure test tube distillation columns and burette into the ring stand. These ring stands can be very useful to hold the distillation columns or the burettes and likewise. Ring stands and their components in the wire gauge. Wire gauge sits on the iron ring to provide a place to stand a beaker. On older wire gauge, the white material was asbestos. Currently, it is a ceramic one. So that ceramic and asbestos a kind of medium to provide adequate heat transfer to the beakers or the flask. Spatula or scupula. Generally, spatulas are used to transfer solid chemicals. Never insert a spatula directly into the reagent bottle. Chemicals should never be transferred with your bare hands. Stirring pot rod. Generally, stirring rods is used to manually stir solutions, assist in pouring liquids, and to transfer a single drop of a solution. Rubber policeman tip is used to remove precipitates. This is the illustration how it look like. This all about the picture of available. Flint lighter and striker. These strikers are used to light lab burners. The flints on strikers are expensive Do not operate the striker repeatedly just to see the sparks. Test tubes, and this is the most common tools for any chemical test to observe. So generally commonly available in two sizes: ignition tubes, and they are in use these in demos. Test tubes are used to mix chemicals and are also available to heat chemicals. Only heat test tubes they are Pyrex or Chymex. Rubber stoppers. Rubber stoppers are used to seal a chemical reaction vessel, which could be a flask or a test tube. And here how it is look like. Stoppers can also be used to stop force gaseous products of a reaction to flow into a specific location. Test tube process, and these are the processes like in small sizes and large sizes. Test tube processes are used to clean the test tubes and glass graduated cylinders. Forcing a large brush into a small test tube will often break the tube. Don't worry about drying the inside of test tube. So generally these are the cleaning tools for adequate cleaning of that narrow-ended tubes like test tubes and graduated cylinders. Test tube holder. A test tube holder is useful for holding a test tube which is too hot to handle. Knowing where to hand this piece of equipment at the end is important. Test tube racks. Test tube racks are for holding and organizing test tube onto the laboratory counter. Wash bottles. Wash bottles are used to rinse solids from other equipment when trying to conserve, keep all of the solids, for instance, from the inside of a test tube. Test tube rack again. Lab question props. Keep prop wires clear of flames and burners because they are quite a reactive one. They may get damaged when in touch with the flame. Mortar and pestle, and again it is widely used to grind solids into fine powders to speed the mixing of the chemical reactions process. The mortar pestle is a thicker porcelain that is more heavy duty than the evaporating disc. Watch glass. A watch glass is used to hold a small amount of solid such as product of reaction. Can also be used as a cover for evaporating disc or beaker. Weighing board. Weighing boards are used to weigh solids that will be transferred to another vessel. Never put chemicals directly on the balance. It leaves a residue and can harm the balance and contaminate the chemicals. Thank you. This is the end of the lecture.